What's up, y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae. I create faith-filled videos for women in transition who want to break free from where they are so that they can walk into all that God has created them to be. If you feel like this is the space for you, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into this video. What's holding you back? What's holding you back? You wrote the vision. You wrote out the plans. You wrote out your dreams. You wrote out all of the things that you said you wanted to do. So what's holding you back? Take a second. Ask yourself, what's holding me back? And the truth of the matter is, a lot of times we are holding ourselves back. We are holding ourselves back. Yes, I said it. We ourselves are holding ourselves back. We got comfortable where we were. We feel like it's safe where we are, right? So sometimes it's not people, it's not things, it's not even the enemy sometimes. Sometimes it's us. Sometimes it's our own selves. We get content where we are. We play it safe because we don't want to take risks. We don't want to step out on faith. We don't want to trust God on that level, right? Because there's levels to faith. There's levels in God. There's levels in life, right? So we feel like, okay, I'm going to stay right here. I'm going to stay right at this place. But even though we know this place does not serve us, this place is not adding value, this place doesn't do anything for me anymore, but I'm going to stay here because I'm comfortable here. I'm going to stay here because I'm familiar here. I'm going to stay here because it just works for where I am. So I'm just going to stay here. I'm going to stay right here. The money is okay, so I'm gonna stay right here. The people are okay, so I'm going to stay right here. We never want to push ourselves. We never want to push ourselves into more because we feel like, oh my gosh, what if I can't do it? Oh my gosh, what if I don't accomplish it? We already speak failure before we even get started. We speak failure into the situation before we even start a thing. It's us. It's us. It's us. Yeah, we could point the finger and say that person, this person, because of this, because of that. But no. Let's take a second for this video and take accountability and say, okay, you know what? You're right. It's me. You know what? She's right. It's me. It's me. It's my own actions. It's my own self. It's my own thoughts. It's my own mind. It's my own heart. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. So God, renew my mind. God, renew my heart. Renew my spirit so that I can see me how you see me. Renew everything about me so that I can walk into this next level whole. Renew everything about me so that my old way of thinking, I don't carry that into my new season. Renew everything about me so that when I go where you're taking me to go, that I am whole, I am well, I am good. Remember the last video that I told you, forget those old things. Forget about those old things. Those old things are those old things. Let it stay where it's at, right? But now that we're moving and we're progressing and we're becoming all that God has created us to be, there has to be some change taking place. There has to be a shift that takes place. Oh my gosh. There has to be some new things that's taking place. So if it's something that was within us that's keeping us from moving forward, we have to really be honest with ourselves and say, okay, what is it? Why am I still in this place? Why am I not moving? Why am I not progressing? Why am I not accelerating? Why? What is it? What is it? What is it? God, show me. God, show me me. God, reveal me to me. God, show me me. Show me how I am. Show me how I think. Show me how I move so that I can move better, so that I can think better, so that I can truly be all that you have created me to be. If it's my mindset, change it. If it's my heart, change it. If it's my attitude, change it. Oh my gosh, let's be real. If it's my attitude, change it, right? Now we're talking about some characteristics, some things about ourselves, right? That allow us to stay in the same place. What is it about me, God? Show me me. Show me me. Reveal to me me. Reveal to me the things that I need to see about me so that I can change it, so that I can fix it, so that I can be all that you are calling me to be. God, show me me. Write that down in the comment section below. God, show me me. I want to see me. Oh my gosh. I want to see me. Yes, they did that. Yes, they did that. Yes, she did that. Yes, he did that. But show me me. If it's me that causes me to stay where I am, show me. If it's me that's causing me to stay where I am, show me, God. If it's anything inside of me that's not pleasing unto you, show me, God, so that I can be the woman that you are calling me to be, so that I can be the mother that you are calling me to be, so that I can be the wife that you are calling me to be. God, show me. God, show me. God, show me. And I ask that you take out of me anything that's not pleasing unto you. Take out of me any fear, any anxiety, any worry, any doubt that's causing me to stay in this place. Sometimes we can say a thing, but really we think something else in our mind, right? We can say, oh, I'm going to go do this, I'm going to go do that. But really in our mind, we already told ourselves, girl, you can't do that. Girl, that's too hard for you. Girl, you might as well sit this one out. Girl, we fill ourselves with all the negative things, or all the things that does a disservice to us, right? So God, if it's me that's keeping me in this same place, show me, so that I can walk in the ways of God, so that you can order my steps, so that I can progress and be all that you are calling me to be. God, show me myself. Oh my gosh. So in that way I can search myself. That way I can search myself. That way I can work on everything that I need to work on, because I am not perfect. I am not perfect. So I acknowledge that is me. I acknowledge that is me. So show me so that I can become better in this area. You got to be real with God. God, show me so that I can become better in this area. I am weak here, so make me strong. I am weak in this area, so God, make me strong. God, I am weak, so make me strong. So I pray that this video helps you to search out yourself, to search out your own soul. Make sure that you are right with God. Make sure your mindset is what it needs to be. Make sure your heart is right. Make sure your posture is right. Sometimes we can think we're doing all the good things, right? We can think we're doing all of the good things, but it's not what God wants us to do. It's not what God is calling us to do, right? And that's okay. It happens. But you got to say, okay, God, show me where you need me to be. Show me how my attitude needs to be. Show me how my mindset needs to be. Show me. God, show me. Reveal unto me so that I can become a better me. Not just for me, but for others around me. Because I know I should serve people and love you, right? So you come to God in honesty. You come to him acknowledging, God, I am weak. God, I am weak. God, I need your assistance. God, I need your help. And I know that you are the only one that can help me in this. I know that you are the only one that can help me in that. I know my mindset, sometimes I speak negative. I know sometimes my heart is not right. I know sometimes I cancel myself out before I even start a thing. I know sometimes I start a thing, but I don't finish. I know sometimes the way I talk, it get in the way. I know sometimes I speak too fast before I listen. I just be real with God. I promise you, he will help you. He will guide you. He will lead you. You said, God, but I don't want to be like this no more. God, I don't want to act like that no more. God, I don't want to respond like this anymore. And he hears you. He will answer you. He will answer you. He will answer you. If you are truly saying, God, I want to be better. God, I want to be better. God, I want to be better. I see that it's me that's causing me to stay in the same space. I want to progress. I want to grow. I want to grow from where I am. I want to be able to go to higher heights and deeper depths in you. I want to be able to help more people. I want to be able to do more. But God, it's me that's stopping me, so help me. Oh my gosh. It's me that's stopping me, so help me. So I pray that this video helps you. It encourages you. Be sure to share this video, y'all. I love y'all so much. Let me know down in the comment section below something that you are going to work on this year so that you can continue growing and becoming her in God. I love y'all so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next